Alright guys, I've got this is a Delta planer, and the blades are a little dull, so I'm going to check them out. I want to show you how to remove the blades, and I figured out once I took the blades off, they're double-sided, so instead of buying new blades you can just flip them around if you've never flipped them. And so first you're going to take this shroud off, take these two little these wing nuts, and this little shroud will come off. And then you can see the cutter head here. I've just switched this one. This one has two blades, and so you'll remove all of these screws. Take this top plate off, and then the blade will be underneath it. It's about a 1/2 inch wide. So I sprayed a little cutting oil, a little braking oil on here to kind of loosen them up and let it set for a second, because they are pretty tight. And there is a little spring under this plate, so just kind of be careful so you don't lose those springs. And we're going to oil this up before we put it back together. So you can see the cutting blade here. See, I knocked that spring out. It's got two little alignment pins that it sits in. Ah! So we got it oiled up and put it back in. You want to check, make sure it's not all the way over and it's going to hit this groove. This one will slide all the way to the right and have plenty of room, so it's in a good spot. We're going to oil the back side of this plate and wipe it down, just to keep down any rust. And press it down and make sure this top plate also has little holes for those alignment pins to set in. So just make sure everything's seated, and then put one screw in all the way to hold it down. That way you're not fighting the springs. And this is a 4mm Allen wrench. Then reinstall the shroud and little thumb nuts, thumb bolts, whatever you want to call them. Guys, thanks for watching. If get any comments, leave them in the comments section. Like, subscribe, hit that little notification bell so you get see any new videos that come out. Until next time, thanks.